Hello traders and welcome to Elite Currency Weekly Trading Ideas. My name is Nenad and we already have some movements. Last week we had Euro-Yen shorts exactly from 129.29 and the market gave us some 50 pips before it went up and closed our trade with profits. We exited the half of the trade for 50 pips and market went hitting our break even for the second part of the trade. I entered again because I saw that the market was reacting to strong equity moves. You see all indices are going up, DAX, everything is pushing up, and Euro-Yen was just following. So I entered another short and we have Euro-Yen down. Yes, actually, I expect during this day, if the market keeps going down and yen gets a little bit of strength, I expect that 128.77 will be taken out and market will go and test 128.50. On the other hand, I expect GBP dollar to push further up. We are in the zone where the market is constantly consolidating. We have actually here a nice triangle, which I expect to be taken out. The market is here in the zone actually to buy. So I'm here waiting for the market to take off. It's a bit of waiting time because we have a very, very volatile US indices market, yen, so GBP is on hold. But I expect a rejection here based on my market trading approach. Other than this, guys, I don't have active trades. I expect euro dollar also to reject, but in order to go further up, we need to see levels between 17.18 and 18.40. In this zone, I expect a market to reject. Of course, guys, if you are members of ECS Live, you will get a signal in my Telegram group. Just saying that we might be effectively expecting potential rejection to the upside. But will it happen? Again, guys, it remains to be seen. So I don't know if this happens, but if this happens, I will send a signal on my ECS Live Telegram group. So at this point, as I said, we started the week with a nice profit, 50 pips close in Euro-Yen, but I also want to see profits in the GBP dollar and this new Euro-Yen short. Other trade that I'm watching, we need to be careful. I'm also seeing a potential rejection here in the dollar CAD, but the problem is that Saudi Arabian bases were attacked during the weekend, so we had a little bit of nasty situation with oil. However, here, this is very strong resistance. I might expect a move down if the market pulls a little bit more to the upside. Other than this, gold is also dropping. I have a pending order at gold at 1656. So if the market drops lower to 1656, I will take this level. I calculated that 1656 is effectively level where we might expect rejections. So for all of you who want to join DCS Live, guys, go to our services here, Forex and CFD, and of course, click the ECS Live here, learn more, and you will be able to see and join everything. I also keep the track of every trade that I make in the spreadsheet, and you will be able to see this. So these were quick trading ideas, guys. I showed you what I have, what I expect, and hopefully you will also make profits with me. See you soon, guys. As always, cheers and trade safe.